Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is going to be very simple. I recently got my hands on this. This is the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3060. I actually picked this up at MicroCenter for around MSRP at about $520 US, and I thought, why not just do a classic unboxing? I did it for the 3070. I didn't do it for the 6800 because I bought that from a guy who had already opened it, but I got this brand new from MicroCenter, so I thought, hey, why don't I just go ahead and open it up for you guys and show you guys, what's inside. If you do happen to get your hands on one of these, I'll probably be selling this for somewhere near MSRP once I'm done with all my testing and build videos with it. So stay tuned for that. Join my Discord if you're interested at all, but not entirely sure. That's the point. Let's get this thing unboxed. Again, it's just gonna be a classic unboxing video. There will be no testing. Just want to kind of see what's inside and thought I'd make a quick video about it. So let's get this thing opened up. This is not how you should open things up. So just grab the tape off, kind of classic circle tape. No one does anything fun with their graphics card boxes anymore, and that makes me really sad. Yep, the classic Strix. I have 50,000 of the same exact box. Really, ASUS? Nothing special. Open it up. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna say it right now, I'm very disappointed. This is the same exact packaging they've been using forever, and it works, but it's boring. Come on, guys. I'm paying $500 for a 60 series card. Give me a break. So here we got the ASUS, this stupid little manual booklet. You open it up. Yep. As expected, there's just your graphics card, and what is this? Cable ties. That's all you get for accessories, really? Anything secret hidden underneath? No. This is a freaking heavy card. Nothing? Just, okay. Now let's take a look at this graphics card. And wow, you know what? This is very disappointing. So, fan side of the card. Let's talk about positives real quick. It looks nice. Oh, there's a switch. P mode and Q mode. Performance and quiet. What is this, a laptop? This is a 3060. This is not a very power hungry or like heat generating card. Why is there a Q mode when there's a triple fan design? Shouldn't it just always be in quiet mode, ASUS? I said I was gonna start with the positives, but there's not many. I mean, it looks nice. This is a good looking card. You can tell. This is likely RGB. I'm pretty sure I've seen this card. So RGB there. A pretty simplistic design. It's cool, but it's simpler. It's simple. Some grooves. This is a terrible review, but honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. Am I happy that I got this card? Yes. Does it look cool on this side at least? Yes. And I think the side looks cool as well. Except this is where I noticed my first problem. The card is bare. Like, it really is just kind of plain. The heatsink does not have to cover. I mean, I get it. This is not a very powerful card. There's not a ton of VRAM on it or anything. There's 12 gigs, which is a lot, but that's not many chips. I see solder points for chips. There's just not a lot of surface components here. I'm literally touching blank PCB. And the heatsink just kind of looks empty in there. Little disappointing, yeah. Again, it cuts off here. I am completely and utterly confused as to why there is a P and a Q mode on a card that should be quiet even at max load, because it's a freaking triple fan cooler with a pretty massive heatsink, even though it doesn't cover the, even though it's a little blank in there, it is a massive heatsink on a pretty not super powerful card, so shouldn't need a quiet mode, honestly. Do we get a... Whatever happened to the USB-C? Did NVIDIA stop doing that? Alright. I've noticed on these ASUS 30 series cards, they've done away with DVI, and this card is no exception. They've actually replaced it again with a upper HDMI. I'm not for nor am I against this. I think DVI is a fine port to have. It's like the only analog modern port that you can use, and I think it sometimes is a good troubleshooting step. It says remove protected film before using, yet it does not give me a point which to remove the protective film, unless I'm an idiot. And no, this is definitely a protective film. It looks like shit. If this is not a film, we're gonna be pissed. Kind of Kind of weak on the peel game there, ASUS. You know what? I'll give it 10 points for backplate. It's a pretty solid backplate. It feels nice. It looks nice too, and you've got the RGB there. Single 8-pin connector. I don't know if I've seen this card with more than 8-pin, but I'm like 99.7% sure that they could have easily put a 6-pin and made this card more powerful. They chose not to sell more of their higher end products for more money. Nothing special here, really. Am I allowed to be disappointed? Because I mean, I walked in, I paid the right price for the card, you know, $500. It looks nice from the top, and the sides definitely will look nice. This is really nice RGB here. And a lot of it. Let's get that peel going. That was a good peel. That was a good one. I can tell this card will look nice, and I can't wait to do a full review on it. I will be checking out those P and Q modes and the RGB, and I don't think I'll be taking it apart anytime soon. You can find someone else to take this thing apart, but too expensive and too impossible to get a new one. There's my first impressions. If you like the design of this card, I'm not gonna just not recommend it. I just think it kind of looks stupid at some parts. Like, yeah, this looks fine. This is a good looking card. The RGB, this, great idea. It's just that I can see the die if you look in here. I'll include a zoom or something, but if you look you can see under the heatsink, you can literally see the die. I think it's a bit too blank. I think I can see too much PCB. Again, most people won't have a problem with this. It's just like me nitpicking because I paid $500 for the damn thing. They've got the classic fan headers, which I don't know how anyone would get to without slicing their fingers off. Then there's our fan and RGB connectors in the back. Again, my main problem with the card. I can literally see the fucking die of the GPU. There's clearly not enough heatsink there. I don't think our temps are going to be terrible. I think this is a beefy heatsink where it probably will keep the card cool. It has a P and Q mode. I'm going to test them, but I'm fairly confident that they shouldn't need that with a triple fan design unless their heatsink sucks, which, judging by first looks, it probably does. I think they're using the looks of this and the fact that they have the ROG Strix name that people seem to like to cheap out on their heatsink, but I will find that out in the full review of this card. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed my little pessimistic unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.